Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to show you how to get the MetaHero coin since the meta coins are about to go crazy. So let's get into it. First, we're going to add the MetaHero token onto our wallet. We're going to click on the icon all the way to the top right. Click in MetaHero. And just click the check. It's a BEP20 coin. Then we're gonna go back to our wallet. So we're gonna need a Binance smartchain coin in order to get this coin. So in order to get it, you would have to buy it from Binance Exchange, BNB coin, transfer it here, or you can buy it here. But I heard it's they have crazy fees. You would have to click buy BNB, and then minimum is $150, and plus they have more fees than you would get from Binance. From Binance, you're gonna pay like 35 cents fees. But so let's say you have bought BNB and you transferred it to your smart wallet. Then what you would have to do is you would have to convert the BNB coin into Binance Smart Chain coin. So what you would have to do is click on the more button and then swap to smart chain, and then you swap it here. You could put however much you have, 100%, 75% of your BNB. And then you click swap, and it swaps your BNB into Binance Smart Chain coin. And once you do that, you're gonna be ready to perform the test that I'm about to show you on how to buy the MetaHero token. So now that you have added the MetaHero token to your wallet and you got the Binance Smart Chain, now let's go to the dApps section. Scroll down until you see Popular and Pancake Swap. Right? So what you would see here normally, if you have never used Pancake Swap, is you would see Ethereum up there. So, and you would see Connect Wallet. We're going to have to do both of these, but first you're going to have to click on this Ethereum signal all the way to the top right and switch it to Smart Chain Network instead of Ethereum. And then you would normally see a Connect Wallet. Connect the wallet, click Trust Wallet, and now you have your wallet connected. So you're going to click here first thing, and you're going to click on the BNB and select BNB. But the thing is that I've already selected BNB, and then you wanna select on the bottom one MetaHero. So the thing is that you're gonna have to import this. Once you type in MetaHero, click import. Click I understand. It's saying anyone can create the BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, blah blah blah. Okay, I understand. Import. So now let's say you want to buy this coin. Oh, the slippage is 20%. That's crazy. So I have not done much research. I don't know what is their slippage on this, but I always start with the point 1. So you would click max or however much you want to buy. I don't have enough Binance Smart Chain. 0.001. They give me 5 MetaHero token, but what I want to do is I bought a stupid coin that I want to just get rid of. It's called Sato Shiba, and I want to get rid of that. So you would do this with the BNB coin, but I'm gonna do this with this shit coin. So I'm gonna click max. So 683 of this coin is gonna give me 67 hero token, and now I'm gonna click swap. And it's telling me the details, the price impact, liquidity provider fee, and I'm going to click on confirm swap. Oh, transaction cannot succeed due to error. So the slippage is too low. They require more gas fee. So I'm going to click on 1%, which means I'm going to pay more fee and get less token in return. So click swap. Let's see if it goes through. Nope, swap on with 5%, not going through. Then I'm going to try 10%. Swap, let's see if it goes through. Nope, probably minimum 12%. I think it's because of this Sato Shiba. It's a really garbage coin. I'm gonna click swap, confirm swap. No? Whoa, what's going on? So for you, it might be different. I would suggest you to start with the lower. Let me try 14%. That's just really crazy. See, this is why you don't buy these shit coins. Anyway, let's try 14%. Wow. 14% no good. 16%. No? Okay, fine. 20%. Click swap. Ooh, 20%. That is just nuts. Anyway, insufficient Binance Smart Chain balance. So I don't have enough BNB coin to perform this action. Okay. So give me just 1 second. Let me buy some Binance Smart Chain and I'll get right back to you, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back. I just bought me some extra BNB for this transaction. We're gonna go back to 20%. For you, it's not going to be 20% slippage. I'm gonna put in the description how much you're gonna have to pay. But the Satoshi that I'm exchanging is really retarded. So I'm gonna click max on the Sato. If you have BNB, you put the number here, or you click max if you want the whole thing. And then I'm gonna click swap, confirm swap. So as you see, because of the crazy 20%, it's charging me $3.68 in fees. Usually it would be like 35 to 45 cents, but since I'm using a shit coin, they require crazy fees. I'm gonna click approve. I have then transaction submitted. In a few seconds, we're gonna get a notification that our coin went through. Boom. Transaction received, swap to hero. So it cost me 11 hero tokens in order to get this. It's because of the 20%. So anyway, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll get right to you. I answer all of the comments. And also, if I have helped you, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next one.